selling your house, here are 3 things that you should be keeping an eye out for when you start receiving offers. Hey there, my name is Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker LLC, owner House of Sparks. All right, so we're going to talk about 3 things that you should be receiving with an offer. The first thing being a pre-approval or proof of funds. If your buyer is saying they are paying in cash, they should be sending you a proof of funds. That can either be a bank statement or a letter from said bank. If they're financing, a pre-approval from their lender stating that they have been pre-qualified up to X amount of dollars should be the list price. Without either of these things, it's really hard to tell if you have a serious committed buyer. Number 2, long contingency deadlines. These could be things like inspections or financing or any other contingency deadlines that could extend the contract. Make sure you understand all of those contingency deadlines before accepting, rejecting, or countering an offer. Number 3, do you remember all those disclosures you filled out before your listing went live? Those disclosures are available to potential buyers. With an offer, a potential buyer should have reviewed those documents and signed them and submitted them with the offer. This is basically just the buyer acknowledging the information that you've given them within the disclosures and letting you know, hey, I read this, here it is with the offer. So I know it's super exciting once you start getting offers on your property. However, it's pretty important that you kind of vet these buyers and these offers just to make sure you're not wasting your time, the buyer's time, and time off market. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.